In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute trades use order entry and price ladder on TradingView. We'll cover two reliable workflows: the order entry ticket for thoughtful, pre-planned trades and the price ladder, also called the DOM or depth of market, for fast, active execution. Start by connecting your account so TradingView can place orders. Open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen and choose your broker or select paper trading if you want to practice without risk. Take a moment to confirm you are connected. You should see the account status and balance update. Next, open the order ticket. You can click the plus icon on the price scale or use the buy and sell buttons in the top left. The ticket is where you choose your order type and define your plan. Market orders fill immediately at the best available price. Limit orders wait for a specific price you set. Stop orders trigger once price reaches your stop level. Converting into a market order. Stop limit combines both, triggering at your stop and then placing a limit at your chosen limit price. Set your key parameters, quantity, take profit and stop loss. Quantity, often shown as units, controls your position size. Match it to your risk plan. Take profit lets you lock in gains at a target level, while stop loss helps cap downside if the market moves against you. Clear levels help you stay disciplined and avoid second-guessing under pressure. When everything looks right, click buy or sell to send the order. You'll see it appear on your chart or in your positions and orders panels depending on its status. For faster trading, use the price ladder on the right side of the chart. Make sure the ladder is visible and active. The left column shows bids buyers, while the right shows asks sellers. To place a limit buy, click directly on the bid side at the price you want. To place a limit sell, click on the ask side at your chosen price. If you need instant execution, use the buy market or sell market buttons at the top of the ladder. Active management is straightforward here. To modify an order's price, drag it up or down the ladder to your new level. If you need to cancel, click the small X next to the order. Because the ladder is designed for speed, double-check your quantity and be mindful of volatility, as prices can move quickly. That's it. Thanks for watching.